Hi everybody, Mikey from Usually Broken Cars, and today I'm going to show you one mod that will absolutely transform the interior of your old car and make it look so much cleaner, so much fresher. Today it is a simple mod, super quick. Let's get into it. In this box I have got the mod in question, seat belts. I know it sounds silly, but I've got these beautiful red belts and they are going to transform the interior of my car by undoing 2 bolts and 1 screw. It's that easy. Not that there is anything wrong with the belts that are in my car, they still work, they still click in, but for the sake of a bolt here, a bolt under that little bit of black trim under there, we take a screw off and take a bolt out here, we're laughing. The kit that I bought consists of 2 belts and 2 buckle receptors, whatever you want to call them. Obviously they're retractable, just like the standard ones. It comes with all the mounting kit as well, but it should just be a case of taking the old bolts out and screwing the new ones in. So 17 down here, there's a 17 here. I've just undone 1 Phillips screw and pulled this bit of trim off of here, and there's another 17 hiding underneath the spool, and then there's a 17 up here, so we'll get them off and then we should be able to swap over the reel. Thank you, Dean. See you, mate. If you're enjoying watching this video, there's a few things that you can do to help me out. Hit the subscribe button, like the video, and hit the notifications icon. Thanks for watching, everybody. Now, back to the video. Right, the real test will be whether I can actually get the belt on, because, you know, I'm not exactly small, so fingers crossed it will go round with ease. Loads of belt. There you go, look at that. How smart does that look? I'm well happy with that. Now to repeat and do the other side. Keep the spool out long because it allows you to actually get the ratchet and socket on it, because if you don't, it obviously rolls back up and you can't get the socket on to the bolt, because it's essentially, there's too much seatbelt in the way. Okay, so the red seat belts, what do you think? For such a cheap, quick and easy modification, I'm so pleased with how these look. I think they've modernised the car massively. Let me know in the comments below, have I improved the interior of my Porsche for just £55? So, thanks for watching everybody, I'll catch you on the next episode. Bye!